The relentless pursuit of history's lost fortunes often begins where the land ends, on the unforgiving expanse of the open ocean.
The signal is fluctuating near the debris field, Captain.
Acknowledged. We execute the search pattern as planned.
Every piece of gear is a lifeline when you're going to the deep.
Surface, I have a strong return. Confirming target acquisition now.
Visibility is almost zero. We need to rely on feel, on instinct. Confirmation, we have a target.
Marker is secure. Ready for survey.
The container is bigger than we anticipated. It's going to be a delicate lift.
All stations, prepare for lift sequence initiation.
Hydraulic steady, pressure nominal.
Cable secured, green light on deck.
Harness is secured. Ready for tension.
Almost there.
It's there. Keep it steady, team.
Control, the asset is secure. We are bringing it in.
Yeah! We did it! That's 80 million right there.
All right, it's down. Get the binders on it now.
Copy that, moving in.
It's on deck. Secure it down completely.
This moment marks the culmination of a decade-long search. Inside this container lies the Atocha's.
On three. 1, 2, 3.
My God, it's real! Every risk, every challenge, and it was worth it.
The salvage operation was a monumental success, recovering an estimated $800 million in treasure from the deep ocean.
Be careful. Look at the craftsmanship.
It's stunning. Absolutely stunning.
The intricate relief work and the purity of the silver suggest this chalice is of royal provenance.
Look at the size of this thing.
We hit the jackpot, boys!
I can't believe it.
With the $800 million trove secured, the salvage vessel makes its triumphant return. A mission once deemed impossible is now complete.
We did it. The treasure is ours.
Inventory check on the Astrolab is complete.
All right, securing the coins now. Make sure the seal is tight.
The ocean always keeps its secrets. Until now.
After months at sea, the salvage vessel finally returns home, carrying the largest...
Welcome home, Captain.
Thank you, we did it!
The cargo is secure. A new chapter begins.
Confirmed locked. Scan the barcode now.
It wasn't just gold. It was history.
The diversity of the treasure is remarkable. From the royal emeralds to the statue of Persephone.
We spent years searching. To finally see it there, it was everything we worked for.
For some, the call of the deep never truly fades.
Lower the ROV slowly. We have a strong current on the starboard side.
Check the regulator pressure settings. Green on all counts, lead. Securing the collar now. Clear the line, swinging outboard now. Watch the cables.
All clear on this side.
Moving to grid Charlie 4. Contact signal seems weak. Surface. Stand by.
Another one of unbelievable.
ROV, this is the lead diver. The chests are secured and ready for retrieval.
Another container! This changes everything!
All right, lift together. Maintain tension on the forward line. Steady, steady.
That snap secure?
Yes, lead, ready for deployment.
harnesses secure. Stand by for lift.
Dual lift initiated. Slow and steady.
They're almost at the surface. Hold your breath.
Look at that! They made it! Incredible! We actually did it!
Two down. The impossible has truly happened.
Securing the containers was only the first step. Now, with the world watching, the team faces the delicate task of
This is it. Fingers crossed. We have contact. Is that it? Is that the gold?
It's even more than we dreamed.
This isn't just treasure. It's a piece of history brought back to life.
Look at the craftsmanship. It's incredible. We actually found it. The Atocha's bounty, valued at nearly $1 billion, offers an unprecedented look into 17th century trade.
Look
at that emerald necklace. It must be centuries old. This changes everything for the expedition.
One down. Let's see what the other holds. That's 8 to go.
Ready for the big reveal. Push. Twice the fortune! Twice the miracle!
This is a legacy, not just a find.
$800 million right there. Best salvage operation ever.
It's real. All of it. Absolutely stunning.
Ascenting. The discovery of the Golden Fleece wreck represents an unprecedented historical find, valued at nearly $1 billion.
This coin confirms the 800 million right here. After all these years. We did it. We actually did it.
After months at sea, the salvage vessel, laden with nearly $1 billion in gold, finally begins its triumphant return.
We did it!
800 million, all ours.
Ensure the seals are intact on the Silver.
Is the scepter secured? I need to finalize the count for crate 4.
After years of relentless pursuit and overcoming insurmountable odds, the impossible has been achieved.